ka ana se obi ede obi bi di dwuma na se eka ebemu a enye putuprum na che se o fiti ase se nkokotwa mekaniam ana se nkokogye saa de kode na onpa ko ne di dwuma o de meka no enti omo hye se enimanim ha ya omo ma omanfo no ebre no mo fa entua eye PRC4 esusu ho ma eye PDS4 se omunya abotse no mo manfo no so ebre na omo fa keka ho no mo metua eka no ebiem so omo nkosi nkonya ewo eye impotem a sa o hawo ho na asem members a omo sa impotem fo no wo mo bo PDS4 na wo mo ntumi enje omo sika na so mo sa entumi enkom sika ne de enya ade se ye de chomum na emum ombetua enti ne nyina ko wie ne se PDS4 enkoso kanea no ema omanfo na afi omo enhye eka na omanfo ede omo ne biem na omo so kanea no na afi omo nya bre na omo kompotem ho na omo koje omo sika PDS4 so che se omo de software bi aye enwo adwuma ma me no ka sei eka omanfo ne di omo kra aye bibi ma omo de asunso anso e ma se eka na nye eka na saneti bi mu emrebia etwema na omanfo no ekutia se obi enye bi mtinania efimu ebaye enono
mo obofo ye beda asepa bibia ni ebesan aba Michael Akrofia man bon yeti ye ne Daily Statesman said let's kill poverty not people. The network of the Herald Akufo-Addo buries Ayawa's West gun violence report nearly 75 days after its submission. Daily Searchlight, free SHS has reduced our poverty. Garu Chief, the insights uncovered how multinational corporations steal Ghana's natural wealth every year. The Chronicle, ex-president versus Africa Watch, Rollins wins round 1, awarded 2,000 Ghana cedis cost. Ghanaian Times, Ghana tops FDI in West Africa due to prudent economic management, says President. The Finder, NIA 1.2 million registered. Accra East mass registration starts June 4. The Informer, alleged charges of tax evasion and abuse of office against Ayariga. Amidu must not use OSP to settle personal scores. And then Daily Guide, Rollins floors Africa Watch in court. NPP will beat NDC with positive record, says Same Ewuko. Ajwa Bweja, aye crowd wenti ye de Daily Graphic eshase. Ajwa Machien.
Yeah, and yeah.
Weekend no net to say
oh, nyame adom na ye pa na
Bibia boko.
Bibia boko. Ma men so watch ya na men cho say ochina ni birthday.
Eh, echina auntie le birthday.
So papa lumo no nchechina. Omodi na be ya bia. Enro anadwo no frɛ me ka che me timi so. Me so nkra me ko mumbu.
Enti we so de nkra na ba me awia na.
Me nyame asem so se makai. Man kai so anka no so asem foforo.
Auntie le men worry. Echina me do birthday papa.
Me ka che say echina me ni TV so say ne okwaya ka kire ya.
That's what you said me wa ha oni problem. But cake ni di adwa be hwe say ye be kwa akoto bi wo Karina Abrel.
Eh so.
Fine things for them customers and fine things. More pacho mati amumre mi cake am fan come and tell you what. Fine things bakery for. Muna ya muta be chem cake.
Me sonkra se manka asembe ba.
Until me say me celebrate you. Na cake ni di. Se fine things for me chem bia ma fa amre wo a. Pacho adwo ebuaje de paper what. Fine things for someone to
say me ma fa ma.
To say happy birthday awofa. Nyamishira. I tell you, Nyamishira no more, no more apomude.
Amen.
Na find no one. I say na me money be ba mu odwa wo mo. Adwa de dey so.
Yeah, all the cake ni kwa ka chen say ne kasa na wa ya wonte so.
Na no baby e be share ye no.
Oyo si ye manu ya baba ten mu asem bi etwam amanu be hu.
Baby e be share ye no ntimi aminim. Se mi so me ye pole. It's a me yo pola.
Yeah, I'm poor.
A big deal.
So Enti antele na wo adwoso besia se wo presby asori mu. Ai ya mautiri kwapa ochena e your birthday.
Can be come
Na me bi say antele na wo
adwoa ye bu agya no tewa.
Eno friend us antele na wo ha na che your birthday we ye dey na hu date. Wo say asabe na wo kan. Me nuanom mpanifo ni nyina ka che mo say e be ka na otwe mesuma mu ano. Enti date ni
what can be o say busa antele say oh you sure say oh you 28 say 28
Ai waka.
Antele you sure?
Oh you sure pa.
O so me o fi ka che na esie.
O say e be ka na wotwe ama esuma mua de di kan na eclipse asem no wo kan.
Okay.
Enti no ne nuanom mpanifo ni nyina ka che say sa se di si na wotwe pepepe na ye wo no.
En what say?
Enti wa calculate ya enti wonim.
Ye be ko computer ma honi akọ verify.
Obeso okaje obesa mo you offended o nyini ni.
I tell me Judy but person me person obi abeye yi bia person me sure. Oh sir. But edin so ye ma editri nkwa over the weekend ye ko mankasim ye ko tre sekente ye kente adwa che.
I wo fa koda de ho di wo ho.
I wo fa ko tre
na fata no.
Oh.
Na kente ni fata.
Nora hu twa. Come. Chesu ye o.
Ni kente no e friend say friend no. Wo sen wo yonko a wo tan wo. Ni din no. Na
so ba wo fa ho a enye kenta obebu anie. Enti kwa me ya ma uti nkwa ya ma oba pa no su tri nkwa ya je akuma wa tu onhwe se oba wa bai ne ba wa bai ubeje adwuma mu tina hurede ubedi hurede fada se yenkofie na edi ne na ma odi na ayira bedia enra na jona branch e se ne me se na me se brother wo sofoka wa anti tie shaso na so sister ne sana munya adwuma na jai se o send me message arajo na something eti brother ye adwuma na adwuma wo so yes
se de free hwehwe tetete ne ne nyame abo abam no eti se de oni excuse bi o de betia na me gidi sa ware no so obesom de fe se wa bre ho pa aware ho ama ne bo beto ye nim se di ba be ware kra ye na that time kra ne yesusa ne ani wo ye kotojo
adwobo je
nyame adom na sa ware na ba me nyini se di bejeja ne ho me nyini so betoto no wa so obesom twe pa de no dia wade no ho mra nyina ya adwuma french ntia no de ya wo dada
aja you do
mo pa he o se ya kwa wa
ba be ware no na se wo atwa bo je usa
e wo ye kotoje ne yesusa ne ye maya ene nyame adom na kwanya na bedo ne nyame abie kwan ama ware na ba so asabe na wo kan
oberesu ye
pa yanko
aja you do o mi ni ka bi yes I say daily graphic and pay new companies act game changer ne yanko page 16 and 77 yanko shade yanko the managing director of Tropical Cable and Conductor Limited Mr. Tony Otinje is confident that the Companies Act 2019 will help promote transparency and reduce acts of corruption associated with the ownership of businesses in the country. It would achieve that by mandating all beneficiary owners of companies to publicly own up or risk losing their rights and the businesses to their nominee companies or shareholders. So the Daily Graphic in an interview, this should eliminate shadiness associated with ownership of businesses, which is a fertile ground for corruption in the country, he said. Unlike the soon-to-be replaced Companies Code 1963 Act 179, which allowed beneficiary owners to remain anonymous, the former president of the AGI said the new law made it compulsory for such owners to be disclosed when a company was being incorporated or shares were exchanging hands. It is a way of fighting corruption, actually, he explained. So Tinjes is a member of the Committee of Experts of the Business Law Reforms Commission, which saw the passage of the Companies Act 2019. Now, Yanko, page 16 of the Daily Graphic. I saw my page 16. And now I say, okay, it's here. Page 16 says that MOFA suspends export of selected vegetables. Some selected vegetables have been suspended indefinitely from the list of exportable commodities from Ghana to the international market. The Plant Protection and Regulatory Services Directorate of the Ministry of Food and Agric has announced, effective June 1 this year, the export of capsicum, a group of chili peppers, soladum, Lufa, a group of cucumbers, and all leafy vegetables to the European Union will be suspended. However, players in the industry, including exporters and outgrowers, have kicked against the ban and called for its postponement to pave the way for proper stakeholder consultations. The director of the PPRST, Dr. Felicia Ansan-Profi, confirmed to the Daily Graphic yesterday that the directorate had communicated the ban to stakeholders in the sector. Now, the reasons for the ban in the letter dated May 23, 2019, a copy of which Daily Graphic has, Dr. Ansam Profi explained that the intended ban had become necessary due to the high level of local interceptions at the exit points after the EU had lifted its ban. And that is what we want to find out. What is this local interception she is talking about? Government makes headway in U.S. visa restrictions, says J. Bewa. The government has made a headway in its desire to reverse visa restrictions imposed on the country by the U.S. government 3 months ago. Ghana's ambassador to the United States of America, Dr. Bafwe J. Bewa, said the government led by the foreign minister, Ms. Shirley Ayokoboche, had held 2 successful meetings with the U.S. authorities aimed at bringing the restrictions to an end. We are about holding the 3rd meeting in the coming weeks, and we trust that there will be finality to the restrictions based on mutual understanding, he told the Daily Graphic in an exclusive interview in Houston, Texas. Yes, Ajwa.
Yeah, Abusiyama some the worker town of Pedesha say Daily Graphic na Katan and Watcha a day aba was see quantia for penny or that tropical cable and conductor limited the Jume Konano a year or Tony or Tinjesi or no worker say was say Emra a butter a Jume beer when you Juma home Ghana was Shisha for a year Companies Act 2019 a fufra eba was Samra Fufre a year papa faswa was so na ebebwa ama a suma senior ma kwaso adwuma bie mu no ne nyina eto ada hwa wiakete na wo chemu a emra sese yekita ye Companies Act yekita sese ade ye adwuma no no emma kwan se wo bia adwuma ensese chinchira che ye de upie ana ebo odi ma nipa nyina ho se bia nipa asma se adwuma ko we ye ne dia wotimi du hu sie so adwuma no obi anu se yo de watwa ho krata nyina eno no ka se eboa kwan bi so emma ye proye corruption ni esuma se niam akoso it is our Companies Act 2019 ye bai dia eboa chese ya cha na yire say wo ya upe umpo so onya bia dwuma esese hunu sa semesi anaso obenten anadwuma kuo wei eye ne dia eti ne wo akwa baabi no akwa bia dwuma bi na mfa no kwan so na niam bebre kwaso ye hunu no watete bakra ne dia ye hunu sa de ne enya kwan enkoso bio na one graphic is central for na ekasa no di tu dwa se business ownership eniema bebre wo so a anase koso suma se aye hu no eni nti eboa bie kwan tum ema corruption eye proye ne ketase hye ne kankan no enya kwan ekoso wasi Companies Act 1963 Act 179 says no na ho eba beko ema 2019 dia ya hye ya mpanifo di mu akoten no eno aba be hye na nan wose no na beboa pa owura otijesi kane bi no ne kwanche for pani a woda emfiridwuma wura no ekuo kase a wo Ghana AGI ono na oda no ono no wokase no wose sese de eba beboa papa na eno adanchen a Daily Graphic the bokata san e de aba page 16 na wo bo amane wose ya sheye ehwenuane edi kwadwuma ho ensem wo mu won krabata bi a wo mu no mu hwe atosode no mu ho niamaniama bebre vegetables no wo mu de ensem bi aba batu edwa na graphic bo ho amane wo mu se atosode meka vegetables binu a ye kra free Ghana anase de kwa abrochi aman so EU ni okoton no Ghana ha se yankasa mpanifo de hihye bi ba se mu bebre ya makwan me ya mfa nkoma suspend ya tunu nyina asensen ansa na wache say kwanche for penny awada sa tren na no e wo ministry honum ene central for kasa no wo kire mu say efiti busumi June ne da edikan June 1 ena sa ohye no e ba be hyase wasi ebi wabobodi wasi chili peppers meko awudo bi wo se meko de omu abusha bebrebe ebi won ma ya bodi aya makwan fiti eye 1st June e ma ye mfa free Ghana enkwa brochie enkwa nkoton enye no nko eba eye kaze kakumba eba cucumbers awudo na eno so e omu awudo bi eno so say ye ba be si kwan ye me mfa nko enmani mu ya ansa eno achi na ba eye leafy vegetables no che say eye kontomre ni ademenum ni alefu no ne sa eye abobo bi ma me ayoyo no boma no nyina aka ho bi boko mo ni nyina ya makwan ma ye mfa nko enmani mu ya na ministry ni chem se enye se bi ono anet wona ne ho tan keke eno aso de sa o hye eba na samafo be ka ye ko be se mfie mienu nie na EU for de o hye bi ato ya se ban ada Ghana so a omo ya mfa ya to so de vegetables ne ma fi se na e ha wo ho eto omo de ban to ye so omo pagya free ye so kwanya ni mfie mienu na omo pagya free ye so be sa fini fan ye sha se de ne ma na e ko no akwansidie bebrebe wo ho ani ato nkraba e ha bi wo wo ho enuti Ghana say sa na tie de ne yanka se atwa sensen mani mu yansa na ha nkitinkiti bi ne ma bia enkoyie bi na emru adi gugu so se bibi de enkoyie yanka se ahwe ne asiesie ni nyina ansana ye bebie kwan ye bie kwan amadwadifo ne ne ma firi ha ekokoto atoso de wa brochie no wo manya kwan e de akọ na wei no mo so mo de atoso de no call exporters no sisi yoyi ano eden kire se wo mo so mo do mo sika akodo domfuo akoduadua sa atoso de no cucumbers no mo duadua bebrebe no mo so emokoyi o magun bebre no no mo ba betete e de akwakoto na se mo de besi ahyem di sika ahyem o maduadua ne ma na wie na mo de sa ohare ba no o mo sika nhye nti o mo so mo mprene de keka kon de yenim de be kwa kosie matisi abokot de bi wa sei so mo se ne be duru ba bi na sa no ye ka na nka de a ene Orura Felix Kamasa woni ne pani odasa ekuo na no exporters o mo de vegetables so kono wono na wo kasa yi enti ne ho asem ena de Bokrata Daily Graphic ode abetu edwa
mami nkodi sa ade ya wo kan ya ho nkomo emra Orura Isa Alhassan press secretary minister of agric Orura kuto afiye enti maye ne nkodi nkomo emra eja Isa assalamu alaikum
wa alaikum nyaba na mo ho ye de
nyame adumo na wo so
nyame aduma no pay de ya sorry ahoden ofon ya ahomboa se e be ko djuma na yakoso mo manjana
ye da se se ugwa chiwia ne nso so de
mi guso de
ye ho enche na sa ban ya mo ka ho asemi edi nkan no mo ncheche mu no mo ka sa ahamama na ahama no de ahibia leafy vegetables
Mamisha UTV for na mena masini akonya mudi amai. Se o se ebo ya leafy vegetables menim se o share atosudie ni bu onu mu a different from infant say garden eggs, tomato ana bi sabat bu onu mu a o export de haban na nkasa no na haban te se bi infant say alefu anase ohun ayuna ye nivoni ade na eno mu bi ene sa capsicum e kan it is a chili pepper family no na lufa eno mu bi na ye kan se lufa no sa se carrot ni ena ye kan se tedie esi eko ni yan hia
enka me expect say wo mo be specific ama enti o man foti o ma hu se we na mu kai enti wo mo krata mu no de yin na fi Ghana se mu ka se lufa na mu pa che se carrot ni ehun se carrot na mu kai
am se edu ho ma ni fi no din kakra ma mi na ma aye
aka kan bro for vegetables ne de o kan bro for aye be hu
oh enti na e ka se o she leafy vegetables na we are looking at for instance capsicum it belongs to the chili pepper family now there are various types need do one in fact green pepper and count but so green pepper and count it's quite technical and tinama.
Oh, where I say green pepper and can one cassa de be your man for Betsy say no kuani and I sports a bibi no. Say green pepper and can when your maconti and tian cocona na and the canama coham na and a paposhito and na
the quinty and tian bino. So Tintino can home. And a can't leafy vegetables no so say infant say me buka alefu and I say ayuyu ana ibi se tisano no family just say ya and say o sha ta leaf vegetables are very susceptible to disease and no na o sha say niema interceptions are yeshia no edoso
and one a problem no mo bro family to mo say mu hia local ni even kwa foreign interceptions sa interception ye de ne am pese mo chese
Minya ba any say on say the infant say ukoti ayuyu a some patcho so ni mayu kakra
mi rampacho ani mayo ba me aduani de mi
you find no example we do bo say ebia wo dada na kakra wo dada no bo say ebia na nyema mo kitikiti bi na say nyem fita bi so ho na o maba ade no so enti o mba ade no so e very visible enti say Yamia dom se if you say 2014 I my ban European Union cast totally near export near Menina said buying by 20 years started say near Melgo Quem. I have to told you fat now no more Juma or various outlets I export vegetables in Nano. And my sabi European Union mu arishimu ban no efias nemuno ansa na ye ban na efias no ye de hye bi ba se exporters and producers no omu follow a friend protocol as our protocol no from the farm gate to the processing up to the export ni na no e ya dia omaye hye ama ye se yen faso na ye making sure say san ye men na no emma na ye se be ye betimi dia ko na se wo hwe ya hanuma you follow ya within 2018 kakra nanso so no up till na inya intersection necessary e duru e fan say airport wo your plant protection and regulatory services directly to on baby ya inspect ya san e dia ko bo se the system no mu a ya intercept enyema pia ye hun say emwama enye ni kakra
ejala sa niema no eye te se ye kodwa so ayekoto e beka se emwa wewe so ana so se enye maduane ni ntie kodura o beka se no mu de enye papa na
o se anka e bia wo de efie de e bia beka se wo betwitwa ho na wo de su anu akumu anu na bia wodi aye aduane edisa se de fa se kontombre kura ho kakra ati na bia watitwa ho no waye na mom no wodi ko amanone a emrofo no omo grading system no different from the local one na omo susu no so wo hwe ya ka se ye local interception ni senya international interception omo ho kura de omo point of entry no omo machine no kura ye highly advanced it is wo kura na e fa ye die no no na bia etimi abo afaso na ekoduru ho no mu a na eno so eno omo machine ye advanced nti eno kwa sa che no e ma e raise problem kakranti and she say ye say okay ye kusu enya sa de ya anhwe na say ya tia no kwan a ba no e be san babio ni aba ye ka a marketer about $20 million every year and to see a be hwe ni din ayi because din ama sabi ya poswanya interception yama ya blacklist ye biwa na enuntina ma plant protection and regulatory services division do yenye
everybody na muhu sa interception say
last year for instance no you recorded kakra but on say you certain percent level within which we do because say alarming into no I was say ye hobi
eni jesem ne se mo maso ya na so na hwe se ye benya enuaba ne ye benya ne yie Ministry of Agriculture kwa hu nsem nyina ewo mho enti mu last year no edi enhyehyɛ na mu di gu akwa mu se ebebu akuafo no se de ebe ya wo mo bre enye kwa ene empo exporters
no enhyehyɛ be breed every almost periodically no ye ne exporters any producers in Asia na nyame adom nyakobo ya adoma Minister of Finance so kwa ma financial clearance ye fa nipa ni bi ka ho na kufu ye fa omo any extension officers ye fa omo ye no omo ye to be actually to be gumo farmers also omo no omo kodi ikita ho but me aba se bi city no se bi nipa de obo ono ma wo fi se o wa bra wa dua na dua ba na odi ekọ amano de ekwan bi obefa so odi bi be ti se de ohun se wo kai first no yesin to sifo no oya na odi die nye no eguase na odi papa no bi agusoro nti ukugu na wunya kwan e bi anto ni gumbe tazi tu wunya kwan e hye ni enhwe individual no nti no bo so no abafo ani so na de ko nti enu bia na ne ye hihia but eduru ba bia na obi be be ka se eye minima nti interceptions ni minima it means can through ni yi ye no ne ye de ko ba still ano ni hu se ya do so nti no and ati no start here na director na recommend say no yen san no mu hia bio ye no mu hia mo my assurance e ma ye won no for the last time say of course we will have no choice than to suspend because they better say they better suspend it na ya ye ho adwuma sisi than say ye de e be kwa kuduru baby a ebese kura na European Union for no
but almost consensus on krata ni mu chese mo ne wo mo anwi hu ye papa enti brofo no mo se mu hia broader consultation ye man komodie no mu emmai na nipa dodo ene adwenkyere dodo emrem na chese kwan bi so no ai se kakra bi na asisa agina ye we yo
mini aba say we say yeah works against them but
okay
say mini aba say kaya 2017 2018 bra ministry under the leadership of Honorable Dr. Usefu Yakutu said you see a share said the deputy ministers Honorable Druna and down said yeah broader consultation yeah every period you know we share idea no ye kire omo ye the Netherlands aban kura bagan ha ebe boa ye any firm and Ghana Vegetable Association exporters nice extensively but said the American there's difference between the which channel say onion say na ono akofo no wakwa akwe
but time we are more banning so say be ha wo mo office won say nso ya toyi afekua na ye de we ebedu June ye wram ni etwa no baye no ti afe niam yi beba ntosi beba ahama nso aye fe kama na mo de ban ya ba unyi ni se wo mo brebe ye kwa
minya sabre nso na emu anu so kra no eyana omotayi omutipa fanga ene mu omote vegetable no sabe ena omoyi omutipa nti se ya nya je menyo abeba se de o spread the road no asfalt charge no
eti mo de ban we ya ba no edian na mo ya fa na sa mo de ma ban ne mo wie se mo ti da mu twen so omo be ye de se na sa ma lift ban no
Debbie, just say vegetables ya export ya na just say mrantie ne mabawa omo airport wono mu ni abo omo ye adwuma na so omo so kra no omo adwuma no so no na amfaso bia no msinti no sabe so she statement a ya issue a ya say ye better say ye be ni see na ya fine eno omo ahia bio enti ye no omo hia bio we are going to go back through the protocols no na emwa bi ho no ma wasi ye de boa omo biwa ni akoso atre egu nse eguso boa omo de nemu no mini aba ifo no exporters ni producers no omo ye more than ye person betini nti benya nke epemu a nke beka se bia one exporter na producer bia no ye ma no extension officer ba ko no ne nanti na be bi o no bia OTP no for every point in time bia no ye tini aba no but any saying no ye che omugusuma omo enti ye kusua na omo edi nkomo as been said this week you know any minister eshia obe ye be free omo bio na yesa na omo hia chechi omo hia say was here this suspension eba na yesimu
mobile left ban anytime soon na
oh and I wasn't say you can say indefinitely a bit my yes say it be next month for you know ni na be kwa kudina the ability say exporters no nia we dey nka you push blame no wo DPRS dia and if you say sa exporters say on betimi agye to ma we say so mo nyina agye to say okay we na protocol ne say yenye na say aduaba no say ye mako 50 na say 10 and na say 20 kura enya e be ye film na e be ye better say ye 30 be ko dan say ye 50 no e dia say ne be kan ho bi no e ho ehia say o mo susu be hye o mo adwuma mu kina na o be make sure say adwuma e wo so o mo die na o mo boa ye ma ye susu ye regulate o mo no etimi abem
to na godi Orala said as a palace and easy for a press aid Emma Minister of Agri Mr. Osu Efriye Akoto ena yena kodisa bani hon komo na fe yen called the independent let's fight poverty and not each other Baumia calls for peace in Tripoli among many other headlines. Yensha Sefio, the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, has appealed to the people of Tripoli in the northeast region to give peace a chance and live in harmony with each other. Speaking at the Paga Central Mosque on Saturday 25th May 2019, Vice President Baumia explore the latest outbreak of violence, saying such occurrences thwart efforts at comprehensive nation building. Police have confirmed the death of one person following renewed clashes between Chokuses and Konkombes around Cheponi and Saboba. Now, on page 3, tall CMB borrows to pay allowances, says Professor Ade. The chairman for National Development Planning Commission, Prof. Stephen Ade, has disclosed that some big state-owned institutions are on borrowing spree, not for expansion, but to pay allowances. Prof. Ade named the Tamari Refinery Toll and Cocoa Marketing Board, CMB, as two enterprises culpable of this act. We always attribute poor corporate governance to political interference, but it always ends through poor corporate governance, through the appointment of board members, allowing the chief executives to work as they should, do professionally. That is why we don't have Ghana Airways. That is why we don't have Black Star Lines. That is why TOR borrows to pay allowances or bonuses, he said. According to him, there is serious problem with corporate governance across the spectrum of companies in Ghana, especially state-owned enterprises. Stop using oil resources as collateral for loans, Pierre cautions government. The Public Interest and Accountability Committee Chairman, Dr. Steve Mantiao, has cautioned government against using the nation's petroleum resources as collateral to acquire loans. Dr. Mantiao sounded this warning on Thursday at the Stakeholders Forum on Crude Oil and Natural Gas Marketing in Accra. According to him, we should desist from contaminating the crude oil trade with other economic transactions such as loan agreements and the rest. And let's do a purely crude oil trade. If we make gains from that, we can use the gains to go and repay whatever loans we have. Because, after all, whatever we gain from that goes to the state, and the state is at liberty, he said. Now on page 10, open defecation in the face of GHS and AMA. Tema Station, one of the biggest and busiest lorry stations in the country, is fast becoming a hub for open defecation and refuse dumps. Interestingly, this station is sandwiched between the Ghana Health Service and the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, AMA, two big governmental organizations directly involved in management of health and sanitation issues, respectively, in the country. The strategic located station, which shares fence wall with the Theodora Oko hockey pitch, also attracts buyers to purchase anything, including food. But not far from where even food are sold is arguably the most disgusting sight ever: human excreta mixed with refuse dump. Sources told The Independent in an exclusive interview that miscreants hide under the cover of the night to indiscriminately, openly defecate and dump refuse in front of a lorry station where there are countless numbers of food vendors. Ghana for you.
Yeah, but some of us the Independent, the Wakata na yede etwaso. Wakata feto sumiensa wode aba. Was it Ghana Mampenia Bedie, Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Alaji ono na wakasa no. Wade atudwas was manfo ne nananumwa watch repone e North East region say. One you want from dear emwama asumdue ene form ye emra me ye adwuma na emetena se. Se ne be ye nipa nyina betinu afoforo atena se wasumdue. What is answer me to Jai our Paga Central Mosque? Now no memory day and Walkasano and Mampenia be the chair at the two just said. Now says I wish share Basabasa ye kwasu koka ya kwasu a ye kumnipa enipa prepra ye chibinu a had junipa was this ekwabasa no a say empumtuo a sign kwaso anka ye pre se beba ya setemuno na etotona se was this abra ye ka say police fuo asisudua say hwe benipa ba ko bi afenwo atwere ne nkwa enipa ni bia prepra ena prosifo nso achi enipa ni binum ewo eye chokosi ene kwakomba fo nsansem ekwaso ewo chiriponi anafe saboba na wo chemu amampani abede chetu ane kasa so no wase wo monka hunu se Ghana man eso tetrete obi abenya baabi atena amasundua ba na yetamfu kase a otini pa nyina ntamo eye ohia ene ya ho kire eti sa wo entokwa bi ko a ene ohia nko na nya wonua one netie wase won kwaso anso emasundua ban wase asundua Ghana wono eye achede kase asumbo etu obi anya ne famu de emmoa emma won wa wogidi afoforo mu nyina no obi antena so asundue mu na asundue so ye mo eho ban we eye the Independent na no achi Was he chairman now the National Development Planning Commission NDPC ano Professor Stephen Adekye onu no wakasano was he Ghana enyumaku akasia ewo ɔman mu ɔyɛ ɔman ni nnwuma no ekɔ abesiabo edibetua botom sika ye allowance na how kɛseɛ pa was he ye wo how kɛseɛ ewo kwan ye fa so ehwe ye nnwuma so ye toto nnwuma mu niema no how kɛseɛ da Ghana man so was obahwe ne ye kwa kɔbɔ abusia bebraya abru no nyina no ye de kwa kɔtua allowance and the ama adwumayfo was adwuma bi te Tama Oil Refinery to any cocoa marketing board CMB wo mu nyina e wosa ehaw yi emu na nya no nko was da bia se oman ni wadwuma bi na se adwuma ni gu ayes yo aban ye yamanyasam aban de ne se hwehwem aban de ne se atutum e na munye we na munye enti adwuma na gu no na so ya how pa da ye so no e ye kwan a ye fa so ehwe adwuma so ne kwan ye fa so to enema odada adwuma ni mu no e na de sa haw yi nyina aba wasi enu nti enne Ghana nwuma kese bi agigi dia na ema ye danso ete se Ghana Airways no ene Black Star Lines no ene nyina ni ho ene Tama Oil Refinery ni nyina ekɔbɔ abesia ene ode abetua wakesefo wo mo allowance dia ma won wose na num wakrampo de adwafo ni bi sɔre se ye ntua allowance ama won beti atua ni nyina ye how kese a ede o man so a esese ye pɛ no ye bia the year the independent signed the Babatu Eja Ebio a year Dr. Steve Mantiao on a work asano was a public interest and accountability committee on order anon was it Ghana oil and the me ayaduma yenya year to crude oil no my fan could yak jamun kwaji jabisa kese and famra on mine mo as a since ye share so the crude oil huja ye share so do huja na emfaso be pie free mo aba no ye de akwa tuatua ya kani abesia ya kwa kwabro etian hwe ehho asemu ye wei the independent the worker no pay then someone or the buyer no ebino no na ya aka ba ko ma metwa ne taw Okwa kratafa tosu edua wasi sa okwa Tama station e wonkra hasam ne yeka no wasi Tama station ba bia te bia wo mu no enyenyenyenyenyenye enya sa bia ho ne so na kare na enya ba bi mpake e na passenger fo nya kwan kofa ka na efi ewira ye hwie bo lagu wo e na sabi na pa mu mfa ncheme ya san eja ye nan e dia pe so etu si ho no a enya kura no wasi ani wusam enya wre ho sam a etai ekye ne se sa bia wo ke Tama station wo ya ye to bo lagu a amanfo ja omo na egu ho no eho na Ghana Health Service oman pomuden adwuma no a wona wo hwe se na be nya pomuden na amanfo atimi atena yie no ho na ne dansie ana tia mienu enkra kropo bedwa Accra Metropolitan Assembly a wono so wo hwe enkra kwadua ne dada adwumadie so ehwe sa ahonidie be ye adwuma no omo so omo dan kakraka ho ne sie omo mienu ntam na Tama station ni sha ye to ball egu ho no wo so one trotro station fo ni bi kasa ya omo se Wama wodi abobo ya asesa bola free nkofo fie no efa ho no mo kohwie gu obo hwie gu onso asabi yo kaya yefo no power fo net wo no ebi sabi ho no mo koja mo nan ebi koto bola gu wo na se edru joda de o se ne nyenyenyenyenyenye ebi se weekend no mo kwa anadwe no ho na manfo eba ye o ho yie wo se ade akia na pa enwansena free so ba ane pampan no home utu ahwene so so a wuwu etese se de hotena ye ya pa na enti no mo bisa se enti wei ani wo sem we sei na Ghana man yete ho ana e de ho asem no ewa ye ka cheche mu abeche the independent na de ba
for daily guide we are Rollins Floors Africa watching court okay debi asem no page 3 almost 3 years after former President Jerry John Rawlings filed a libel suit against the publishers of Africa Watching magazine. The case is now set to take its course at an Accra High Court. It follows the dismissal of an application for stay of proceedings which was filed by Africa Watch against the former president. Former president sued the magazine in November 2016 for aggravated and exemplary damages, among other claims, after the magazine claimed he had Parkinson's disease. Hearing of the case was delayed because when the former president initiated the action, Africa Watch proceeded to court to raise preliminary objection to the effect that the magazine, with Steve Mallory as its executive editor, was not based in Ghana and therefore challenged the jurisdiction of the court to hear the matter. The magazine claimed the former president should have sued them in the United States. The application for stay of proceedings followed an appeal against the decision of the courts.
Yeah, my some way at the Wakrata daily guide. Now, Wakrata fire a tossum and sa watro at the Abba. Was a man for Becaya, so we say by best and fear me and sign in ye. And the Wakrata first Africa Watch magazine. Or much say be by a Fagana and Penny Dada or a JJ Rollins and say or Parkinson's disease. Sabio Yaria, a Yawa, Nipanetwa, not the tea was so cha almost will be. Now the Akika Kwanuka will hear Paibo, anyway, when ye and a Ghana for one Paya Manua, Tebia Mampenida Rollins woman, and Yanom say, hey, Papa, only Parkinson's disease was a while when it be. Now there are no kind was the same say, and what be being cry. Mumra Mabisa, Mabisa, Mufiti Pracopa Makoka, it didn't say any was here, Poto. And the Ria say, what about when you buy man your Bruni Yachanti, Mampenida, that man, or son, and they were the court. It's a son you could do court, you know. And Africa Watch magazine for no or my lawyer for bar say magazine no and Ghana na na you on free Ghana so if America memo to Trump chrome it is also be trying to damage you the be court wa for pray na America on be trying to damage you na Ghana ha de nya no tie and am penida that Rollins and so for court says asam no work and there and one ya kanom so nya tie eti ne yakwa na bakwa na abase say dia be sia na say sa asam Africa Watch for etwa na ya boagu court say there be asam na ba ya kan ha ba bi Ghana for aka bi maniguase na ba nti obeba edun ko fa ba begina wane mu ne adi asem no ha eti eno na the worker take asa ne fa di kan de mampani da Rollins wadi nkunim ti afei na asem wan kasa no ye koso we daily guide
mo na Paul so hemano no ne nua be ma ne anim ado koku akwaba
mewura wo fa
koku neba
ya
boko die
boko
na agudie mu nsem okose da be na ye hye sa eyi na say afcon
21st June.
Oh, say kwan po
kakrawo
kakrawo media mani so de say kakrawo
captain Sam ni nka na ye papa bi ayi o kana Sam o say asem na ye sa kwala aduane e kom de wo hwehwe yi wani so yi
unya bi a obedi o aduane so ya kwara dia
ya kwara dia
na eno akosi san say I saw it
say team ne beba o say captain ban nsem no ye yi kakra ma te say mampani be hia omo fia de be say pani ntine fie ma no ma
na so say abrante no to dada abrante na tia tia so obebo e na pani so de ne list ya ba e na ye nim say dede no ye captain now
nka no krentre yo
okay
obeka se waka ba yesi utirim wo ho a yemuna ye nim
okay
omunim
okay
black star penifo ne ade nyina nim say sa captain ban nankasa between asamwane dede no na ho nyo
asam wo ho
na asam wo ho
na anu bi asam wo
akoba Ghana na nya no na me ni guru say di nko since 1991 ya started some mistakes ni sa last minute me akọ change na akọfa nsem aba because ya ma example kakra say bia wo nkwala miensa obu oboro na asoma na obekọ obu okoro di na tem na asoma na obeka so onko na chuchuchu kakra ho kwesi apia 2 minute ye ne dia obi ankasa nya ne dia
okay
ba ebre no ene nipa na ankasa wo ye omo ho ade no o de tie kakra
ya twen ya we ni beba so
o mo te
o de tie hwe me ni odatilamti eye interview bi
okay
asmo ka jem se nim kwesi apia otumi wa ye wie ba Ghana for no cross support team no se ye koba de Ghana for bu badwu so pe se de cap na ba si ye koyire ye ho se ne edu fan atwa na ye ba ye be she captain
ani eni omu be wo case pa so on say mo de mo ye obi a mo kobo mo koto na me mo hwese nko e na mo pre captain na mo pre coach na mo pre den eni e de begu omu so pa
Bruce catch 91 ye kobo friendly match bi e wo Germany
okay
omo she Ghana 6-1
Bruce
say omaye selection ni ade nyina wie
okay
kakra na match no edan de omawie bibia na sabre na captain ni abedipele abedi amedu on tem the captain man no e ma Tony Eboa
okay
sabre na Tony Eboa so bobo wa Germany na do jana na so pa ti be bi obobo na Ghana be friendly match na the captains band amand na chese asomdwem o se anadwo na abedipele bedu ye oba ye
anadwo ade be chimo
mosi akan no
na se ya ye ntutu ani
bibia wie
ba ne anim se wo beba
na so ma hwe nanim se nka so bedu ansa na
wa
medru ntem ti o ma yom bibia we se o ma fa se
o ma training na hwehwe
bibia training kra twem o ma ye selection na de nyom ma fa se o ma
okay
to ma ye the captains man ama Tony Eboa
okay
na o ma yom selection we makora la ji so da wa na adwo na obi benya ne se abedipela abaso oje ne tenjes ne de ama obi no mo de ma no captains man alaji se
no mo de amato ne yebo a Abedi Pele si amfa captain man na mana ball no mo ball cross magana biem according to Greece ano o kire se onu afi na mpanifro bi ehun no yo okoto ne yebo anim cause wo ball Germany ho sa abren so na to ne yebo agina na so Greece aso onu no kopa to ne yebo achewa na o de captain's man no e man no mo come Abedi Pele o si free ho na nchichemu ba o mu a players ni support
ebe ba se ne toni so ebe ye ne ya
anya ne de
mo be fa me sapofunu then ya dem on say dru baby adwa ase bi o wa wo se ye ni mu ne oh asuo waba mo na ne enim se wo ma se de koye nti last minute anankasa no so enye ye
ano no ne asem no ba mpanifo na bedi abufo no ye no o se mpanifo na ntumi e mo ye ya se enkoje captain na ne koje ma Abedi Pele alaji gusa se efiri ho no e ne nya camp mienu players ni bi support Abedi and they be support to Yeboa. So after no anso ha ni following 92 Yeko Cup of Nations yesi kwesi happy anti French in captain band farmer Abedi Pele.
Abedi Krona.
Abedi Krona.
E bia ono so fa no bi.
Sanenso ne ba enso na ye dia ko.
Enti e na no asem no.
Ti dia ya no obi nkase eye bone obi nkase oni tumi. Be bia meka se asamoaja anyi ni ya ne se oni coach ni kasa na o record no the man century bi ndi wanye ni yi
oh yes
my flow oh yes my flow na me ni odi nkomo
baby I don't know yes and now evidence
if you na say esono nkomo a
private nkomo
dey say do abetumi aka fo so me ni osimesi na edi nkomo ofun so no dey e ho dey am say
ku na mo se mo the general captain na Asamoah na je se no ya peja no na bra na Asamoah captain na ho na general captain
e opani bu
Fagwe adwade me yo adwade me
na Asamoah captain no na ho na general captain
na ye ni general captain
afi ni mo creative
afi ni ye creative e o so pani bu na bro fu
adwade me yo
ya adwo so pani bu ho a ye fro na bro fu ni simpa pani we no wonya ade a obebo captain's band no
ceremonial
so okay we ceremonial head this is a captain there sabi 20 friends the day ni ho a the obebo ye Kwadwo Asamoah this is a general captain here Asamoah Jan
and you this as a president sure because assembly ne kano
and a captain here and a deputy captain here Kwadwo Asamoah.
Wow. Eti ususu se sampapa mu no a 91 esi Abedi supporters any Tony Yeboah supporters in term no e bi be sense afi
yeah betumi esi ado betumi esi because na make say asem no ba na ye pese mu aso se ye kona anye yi afa na ye pese be so ba nke ye be kan yi ansa na ye ko tournament ye nya sa senke bia January ye do January na nka ye sesan ne ade a nke bia nka ba this time ho
because ko se sabre ye wo ma ka bo so me kram ka say time wo say o ya time be ne wo fe ne ye be si nkonwa
be ne ye ko training to nyame aba me de be
the year be ko ago pramane so
ba ye fa ne say o anya hwe sa ne ya fa no but ye say utrimu ho ayi mu na yanim bia ombe sere kama
ko se de wo keka ni nkomo wo hwa ni ama ne dia e be ye bibi
oh se waka se oni asem bia ba waka no ene ne ye no e ya asem foforo
se ye fa ne se wadi a wo ye so a edrube bi ye edrube so na ye nse wa me hu ni patimu asem
no so ne asem
ni patimu asem bi obeka ne na no se no le woni tima you no go know
bi enya dia obehu eno ni asem sabre ye ko 37 years na ye cap ne bi achepa
me na mo me mpa ba bi kra
ya jeno 82 10 years time ne call finance
ye mpa ba bi kra
kwa ku say ahoto ani asundwe ewo Asamoah ani coach ntem
eno no kra no ebre na be kire se wuntumi nka
no kra
se party so se wo betumi aka de na bia wo brambram so e de ahwe nchense wo ka bia yi keke ba ye kan kra pa e da no ye ne papa bi ye interview piece of mo kan se me gini po se asem na aba no se ekodu camp ho a players o mo support the day you o mbehu Asamoah Jan sen and a players o mo support Asamoah Jan so o mbehu the day you sen coach kwesi apia kra so ne Asamoah Jan obi abehu ne nyonko sen
wow
no kra na papa na aka no no kra wa asem no waka no ba ye say ye fa ne tra me problem no ye o ba bi Asamoah Jan ye ye o ba bi a kocha kwesi apia nye ni Asamoah Jan bia me di no ho ya ansa wo tro letter no copy president so onim so ne president tam wo de anka den na wo ye o pani die coach aka kire mi ni o enti menye ne den na ka mampani kura ma wo futuo bi se bia ABCD e bi kura mampani be ka kire coach se coach ba bia du ne ya ban ti de me enkomra
Eba be da bedwa mu sa na se amane siesie na ye bibio.
Na ye bibio. Because na speculations ni ade adoso. O man pani nipa adi ani hwe na doso. Ebi support the obeye. Obi kura se
politics abi ma sha se kura ka ma sem.
Nje so man pani wa asem bi kan nkoka ne kokko be so asem no kura se bedwom ne ka be ne den. This is bedroom ne can be man penny because any Ghana for nyina ni hwe no ongo kan say opposition for hwe no hwe interviews bi ni ade a me nya me phones ni ade a me bo piece of manager say
we sponsor one be candidate for ni bi crash as you kan ya branch and say masesa madwen aba na bi si o ye we serious issues o say sports e bi say na say so krokro na bi amanfo ka say bi so say wa ya ade sa na ja ye
ba say kom solve no osumase a nke bia nke medu ba bia ya dun.
Next time you who said you can say awaresem kwaku yenko.
Awaresem.
Yenka no kokko.
Yenka no kokko. Kwaku yenko na dey yes sports no ye ni adwa ya bi.
Ne do ayi dey ya be dey anu.
Me general host ni ni e. And we host.
Yenko. So dey say papa na asem no. So papa omo kon tokwa o say omo kon na kro no tokwa o ma na.
Ena mo mu ayase.
Adekye Nsroma so sabre agudi unsem ene ye kwa kofa ede abremu na me kanfo this way amount sanse this way ne de domdo na na abo mo sanse Ghana kokko ne de papa ntu bo this way ne bia bo apa ma ogina na so ma no menyina ekoyi edema so open su anom so a special mineral water no kama papa no bi na nyina honam na mu ahode na fa ye adwuma nkonom nsu bi a ebedu ba bi na fa otumi sensu na onom ye no enkoyi emfa emmaw yedi kan na ye hwe na atwa wi akansi ye kokoso na ye CAF Champions League akansi no first finals no etumi eba so na work for etnefi any Esperan ebo 1-1
والمضيف نادي الوداد الرياضي ما لا يقل عن 5 ولكن ما يهمنا الوداد غيلان الشعراني 25 يوسف البلالي